Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are making a lemon turmeric shooter to support liver and gallbladder health.
Yes, this recipe is antioxidant rich and can support your 10-day naturally nourished detox if you choose to layer this in as a way to enhance, as Becky said, liver and gallbladder flow. The lemon is going to, with its bitterness, drive that biliary system to help to gather toxins in the body, as well as lower cholesterol levels and regulate fat in the body. We also bring in the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric in its raw root and ginger to help to offset inflammation, pain, aches, and more.
Yes, and this very simple recipe will show you how to make the concentrate, and then you can use that as a shooter diluted with water. You could further dilute it into more like a lemonade and even sweeten with a little additional honey, or you could make it into a tea by just adding some hot water, depending on how you'd like to enjoy it.
All right, first we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the juice of 5 lemons into the blender. Okay, so those 5 lemons are going to yield about a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then we've already gone ahead and peeled. It's so interesting to make sure that you can identify the difference of the turmeric root and the ginger root. A lot of people tend to get them confused. You do want to peel off this very thin skin, and the best trick is to simply use the back of a spoon. So you can just take a standard spoon and working against the skin, pull off that thin skin, and then what we've done is we've taken an inch of each peeled ginger and turmeric, chopped it into a couple pieces, and we'll throw that in the blender as well.
All right, and then I'm adding about a tablespoon of raw local honey. You could add more depending on sweet preference, or none at all if you're trying to keep it tight keto.
And then I'm gonna put about 3 pinches of a quality mineral salt, and we'll whip it up. All right, you wanna blend it on high for at least a minute, and then we're just going to strain it. Be mindful that all of these phytocompound pigments of the turmeric can stain
Fingers and countertops.
Yes.
And clothing and all of the like.
All the things, yes. All right, so we've strained it, and I have put just about 2 ounces of water in this small jar. We're gonna match it at a 1-to-1 ratio, so just about there. Give it a good shake and throw it back, and I already have the lovely yellow pigment. And then the remaining of your concentrate can go sealed airtight in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It can be used, as we said, in a daily liver shooter like this, or it can be used in salad dressings, savory sauces, and even added to your smoothies. All right, let's shoot it back. Cheers. Cheers. Whew, that will wake you up to start your day and might give you a better boost of energy than your daily coffee while you're activating your liver and detox process. That ginger has a nice spicy bite. This could also be a great go-to if dealing with upper nasal congestion or dealing with allergies, because that vitamin C can also offset histamine response in the body.
Drop us a comment if you tried this recipe and how you enjoy it. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you never miss one of our bi-weekly releases.
There's definitely that zing to the ginger in here. I think just that the bite of the ginger got me. Hold on.